Okay, so here you are yet again with this truck. See now, this is why I don't like this truck. So I don't like this truck. Ouch. Okay. So it does come down. Because all this stuff. Okay. Tires again. That's where I put the sand for it to soak up the oil that was leaking. See if it. Okay, so this stuff. What the hell? This thing don't got no type of handle. Okay, well it turns. I don't really know how you're supposed to open this door. Okay. Like on this side. Again, flat tires. This is the rear back tire, and then here's the the forward front tire. It's also flat. Alright, so there is a floor, so you won't be having to do that. Yeah, you do have a floor. There it is. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay. There's things missing in there. It's the gas tank. Steering wheel. Oh, keys in the ignition. Ow. Foot on the brake. It won't. Am I doing it wrong? Because it definitely won't start right now. Maybe I'll take my foot off the brake for it to start? No? No? Okay, well it's not looking like it's starting. But okay, so okay, so it goes 1, 2. I think it only goes down twice. Oh, that must be because that's the indicator. Okay. Yeah, the gear thing won't move. Yeah. I don't want to break anything, but it's not looking like it's moving. does have a lights thing though. Pull that in and out. It's got dashboard. You can see what's in there. Okay. I think I've got everything now. Okay.